Now I want to tell you that how a sphere or a hemisphere forms. Then what are the results to calculate its volume, and in case of the hollow sphere or hemisphere, what is the surface area, total surface area, curved surface area, etc. As I explained you how a cone forms, cylinder forms, cube forms, cuboid forms, similarly I want to tell you that in order to form a sphere, sphere is a three-dimensional shape, that is, it is the shape which need what? It need the space. If you have any circular sheet of metal or any circular plate as I am showing you, and you keep its diameter, a circular sheet has infinite number of diameters. When I have folded, it become what? It become a semicircle. But if I have opened, it become a circle. By keeping its any of the diameter fixed, and when this circular piece of the paper or sheet of paper is revolved, it is rotated about its any of the diameter, then amount of space occupied by revolving in one round of this circular sheet, the object so formed is what? The sphere. This is the formation of the sphere. Whatever the radius of the circle, that is the radius of the sphere in the space. Now, if I tell you how a hemisphere forms, if I have a semicircular sheet of paper, this is the semicircular sheet of paper, and if this semicircular sheet of paper is made to convert like a quadrant, and by keeping its one of the radius fixed, if it is rolled or rotated like this, then figure or the amount of space occupied in the space is known as the hemisphere. Similarly, as you know, we can have a hollow sphere, hollow hemisphere. So for these hollow sphere and hemisphere, we have the separate results. Now I would like to explain you that what are the results required to calculate the volume of sphere, the CSA or TSA of sphere and of hemispheres. One by one I am going here. You can see volume of a sphere is given by the formula 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r indicates for the radius of a sphere. CSA, curved surface area or lateral surface area, or the total surface area of the sphere is given by 4 pi r square. It is 4 pi r square. A sphere has curved surface area only. So if somebody asks you to make you confused that what is the total surface area, the TSA, CSA and LSA of a sphere are same, that is 4 pi r square. If a spherical object is hollow, its external radius is capital R, its internal radius is small r, then how much volume is required of any material to make the hollow sphere of external radius capital R and internal radius small r is given by volume of hollow sphere is 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Now volume of hemisphere, as I told you, as the semicircle is the half of circle, similarly the hemisphere is the half of a sphere. Volume of sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube, so volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of hollow hemisphere, as in case of the volume of sphere was hollow 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Volume of hollow sphere was 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. So the volume of hollow hemisphere will be given by 2 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. Now curved surface area of hemisphere, as CSA of sphere is 4 pi r square, so CSA of hemisphere is 3 pi r square. You can observe when a lemon is cut, the entire lemon shape is what? The shape is sphere. When you cut it exactly from center, it gets converted into what? A hemisphere. So total surface area of hemisphere is what? The area of half of the area of the curved surface, that is 2 pi r square, plus when you cut a lemon, one more circle is observed on its cross section. Area of circle is pi r square. That's why when this area of cross section is added to curved surface, then total surface area of hemisphere become 2 pi r square plus 1 pi r square, that is 3 pi r square. Now total surface area of hollow hemisphere. If any hemisphere is in the shape of a bowl of some thickness, then what is the total surface area? Its external curved surface area plus its internal curved surface area plus area of edges, that is ring. So formula is 2 pi capital R square, that is R is the external radius, plus 2 pi small r square, small r is the internal radius, and area of the ring, that is pi capital R square minus small r square. So when these three areas will be added, we will get the total surface area of hemisphere. These are the results, direct results, which will be used to solve the problems of based on hemisphere and sphere, volume, CSA and TSA.